Hi friends, in this video I am going to share you the views on 58SL Airmail Wality fountain pen, and this is a very cute pen, and we have a big ink barrel, and as well as the trim set is gold, and number 5 nib is there. And let us see how it writes. We will suggest the pens for students and even for professionals too. Wow, the pen is writing very smoothly. Yeah, the writing is very smooth, really. I have three variants as of now. So one is a green, a light green pattern color, and another one is a dark green pattern color, and another one is uh, a slight, a dark green and a white pattern. Right, these three variants we have as of now. So the pen is really good for writing. See, as I said, use Vaseline to have a good lubrication in the threaded area so that the life of the threads will be good. So removing the nib I have shown in my previous videos of 77 RD and 69T, all the stuffs. Anyhow, hold the nib and feeder together and just pull it. You can remove the nib and feeder. So check the proper alignment between the point of the nib and the point of the feeder, and just insert and press it. It will perfectly fit the pen. Yeah, thanks for watching.